For the first look, you'll be needing a net. This is the regular net that is sold in the market. Most people in Nigeria actually use this particular net to bath. They use that sponge. So I'm going to be using this one, but you can either use this or there's this other light net that you can buy. That one is like a cap, so you can wear that one. I think that is even better than this, because this one, at the end of the day, you have to tie it at the back, so it will not make your work look rough. Secondly, you'll be needing a gel, but any gel of your choice will do. You can either use eco styling gel or anyone would do, but you guys, if you're an OG, you already know that I like to use this particular hair gel because it doesn't leave white residues. And lastly, you'll be needing a needle or a tail comb, depending on depending on the space of the net. So now to the video proper, I'm using a tail comb to just parting her hair. So this depends on what you want. You can either do center parting, side parting, C-cord, any parting of your choice, zigzag, any parting. But for me, I'm doing like a side parting because I feel side parting will actually fit her face more. Then applying the gel all over her hair first, and then now I'm using a tail comb to actually comb her hair just to smoothen it. So I'm combing it gradually. I'm kind of combing it towards the back. So I'm combing it gradually to the back. I'm starting from the front part of her hair and combing it gradually, to the back because her hair is short. So while smoothing it with a comb, you need to make sure that the hair is actually laying flat. So the gel will actually help it to kind of, relax towards the back. So right now I'm just combing it and pushing it towards the back, and also applying more gel as I go so that it will help it lay down flat. So yeah, after that, I'm just using this brush to further smoothen the hair towards the back. I'm smoothing it back. I'm smoothing it and pushing it backwards. So this is a very simple hairstyle that you can achieve on a short hair. So you can freestyle with this. You can as well do this on your hair yourself. You can just freestyle, do whatever you want to do. You can even do like baby hairs in front. So right now I'm just doing this. I'm basically just doing it in a very simple way because she's a small girl. I don't want it to look too much on her. Yeah, this is what it should look like after smoothing and laying the hair down. Okay, moving on, I'm using this net. I'm just placing it on her hair, just at the right part of her hair. So I'm placing it from the front side to the back side, and I'm making sure that it's not scattered or rumpled in front, because that is where I actually want you guys to see what it will really give us. But at the back, since it's not a cap, I'm just going to tie it at the back. Please, while placing the net, make sure that the net in front is actually laid down flat, or it just depends on what you want anyways. So some people like to just do one side of the head, while some people like to do the other side, or maybe like the front part, or maybe the back part, you get. Or you can even decide to just do everything. You pick it all round, all over her head. It all depends on what you want. So once that is done, I'm using needle to just pick in between the net. That's the hole in the net. So I'm just using needle to just pick the hair out, just like to form like a coil. So I'm picking it gradually. So I'm not bringing the hair completely. I'm just bringing it and making it to look like it's folding or like a coil. So yeah, most of you will be like, it's an old style, because most of us have actually worn this hair like in past. I remember those days when I was growing up as a young girl, like very young. I think I was, let's say, 5 to 10 years. This is what I usually wear for Christmas or festive period. This is what my mom actually do for us. So yeah, my mom used to be a hairstylist when I was much younger. She had a salon when I was very little. Like, I think I was about 2 years then. She told me she had a salon. 2 to 3, 4 years, I think. Also, my aunt, my dad's only sister, also had a salon when I was around 5, 6 years, and I used to help her out in her salon. So yeah, hairstylist runs in our blood. And those days I used to help my auntie in the salon, and that was how I started learning how to make people's hair. And then I was like 5, 6 years, I think 5, 6 years old. I was helping her in the salon. It was actually fun for me anyways, but my job then was just to loosen people's hair. Sometimes I even dry people's hair. Sometimes I give rollers when she's trying to curl people's hair, or give attachment when she's braiding someone's hair. So anyways, it was actually fun, and that was how I learned. So yeah, you don't tell where this thing start though. So yeah, I'm picking both the sides and as well the back side too, but not totally completely. I'm not picking the back, the very back part, back side. I'm just doing just little touches at the back. So yeah, okay, moving on. After picking, we'll just go ahead to allow the hair to dry. You can either air dry it, or you use hand dryer or like the wall dryer so that it will dry faster. Then when it dries up, you just unravel it. That's unravel the net from the hair, and yeah, this is what it looks like. This you can freestyle, like I said before. You can freestyle with this hair. One side, you can do one side, you can do middle of your hair, smoothing the sides, you can do all over. Here in Nigeria, we actually call this type of style net gel. Moving on to the next look. In this case, you need a straw, which you will need to cut into 3 different lengths depending on how you want it. Either use the straw or you use the tail comb. That's the tip of the tail comb to like coil. You'll also be needing a gel, and any product or any type of gel would do. And like I said before, I like using this product. This is what I mostly use. It holds hair very well. So now I'm applying the gel on her head first, just very light. Then comb the hair with a small comb. Make sure that it's smooth and laid down. Then after that, we'll just go ahead to section the hair into 4 different portions, but this is actually optional. You can coil any pattern you want. You can do center parting, side parting, C-cut, zigzag, anything you want to do, but I just want it to be arranged. So that's why I'm actually parting the hair into 4 different sections, so that when I coil the hair, everything will be, aligned. After that, we just start rolling the hair around the tip of the comb, like so. Then when I get to the bottom, the very bottom, or the scalp or her scalp, we'll just go ahead to release the hair gradually. Just pull the hair out of the tip of the comb gradually. Better still, if you are scared, like you are new to this, you do not want to mess up, you can use a straw coil. You can use a straw to achieve this. So what you should do is just to coil the hair around the straw, and then you coil it down to the scalp. But after that, you allow the hair to dry. Just allow it to dry. In this case, you are not releasing it, you allow the hair to dry. Either air dry, or you use wall dryer, or use hand dryer, but it takes time for hand dryer to be able to dry this hair off fast. So it's better you use like the wall dryer. But for me, sometimes I like to use the tip of the tail comb because it's faster. But to get a neater result, I think you have to use the straw, because once the hair dries up with the straw, it kind of gives this nice pattern instead of just releasing. Anything can make it lift up from the after releasing it. Anything can just make it to just lift up or scatter easily. So it's just better to use the straw to roll, and then allow it to dry with the straw, and then when after that you release it. Not like I'm saying that using tail comb won't give you a good result. I'm just just trying to like make you see reasons why you should use the straw coils, because make you see reasons why. I don't know why I keep calling this thing straw coils. The name of the hairstyle is straw coils. So I just want to like make you see reason why you should use straw instead of the tail comb. Tail comb, after rolling, releasing, anything can go wrong, and then the hair will just scatter and you have to start again. So but for the straw, after rolling, it remains like that. It remains that way until when it dries, and when it dries, you can just pull it out, and then the whole pattern, the whole coiling pattern will just remain like that. It's only if you just want to like unravel it to give it a different look or different shape coil. So at this point, you can as well coil the hair in small sizes, medium sizes, big sizes. All depends on what you are actually going for, or what you want it, or how you want it to look like. If you want it defined, if you want it like loosed, all depends on what you want. So sometimes most clients actually prefer to unravel the hair. That's after coiling and drying it, you just unravel it. It gives this other pattern. I really do like this particular hairstyle because it's not just for short, or not just for short length hair. You can actually, if your hair is long, you can actually do this hair. And yes, you can do this style yourself. You can actually achieve this hairstyle yourself, both long, short, medium size hair. Anybody can wear this hairstyle. It's very simple to actually make. So yeah, when the hair dries, it will definitely look like this, but without the straw on our hair. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's helpful, because so many people have been asking me, make a straw coil video, make a net gel video. So thank you. Do not forget to share this video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't. If you are new here, leave a comment in the comment section on what you want to see up next on this channel. Any video, any tutorial you want to see up next on this channel. I'll give this video a big thumbs up if it's helpful. Take good care of yourself and stay safe. We'll talk to you guys in my next video.